Hey guys, guess what? We have got more Proline tires up for grabs. So write me a comment why you need these tires. You got new rigs, you're building old rigs, you're changing old rigs, your tires are tired, or you just need to upgrade your tires. Write me a comment, guys. The guys who write me a comment, I will put you guys in the final draw and let's see who wins the final prize. Now let's get back into today's video. Yeah, just the camera quickly. There you are. So I've been looking for a track, a new crawler track that we can maybe build on my property. Now I found out that on the back of my property there are some big boulders. I have been doing footage during the week over there. Now we are getting rained in. We've got a cyclone coming this way, so I'm going to just wrap this up quickly. I'm going to take the Jeep up there quickly so I can just quickly explain what we're going to do, and in the next couple of weeks we're going to move some boulders around so that we can actually build quite a nice little trail up on the ridge of the edge of the property. And there were bushes, like these thorn bushes and everything. I'll just give you a quick peek of what it looked like, and then earlier on this week I'll show you guys the first time I actually drove into that area. So let me just open the window here quickly, and you can clearly see that this is not really funny, but my little passageway is over on the left there, and it just hooks over to the left and it goes up the hill. So this is the area where I'm going to hit now. I need to go pretty straight forward, hit it as straight as I can. I'm just going to reverse a touch. Let's climb. Oh, no, that was no good. So this is going to be the trail. We're going to be working on this for the next couple of weeks, but at the moment I can already feel the weather is swinging again, so that we haven't got a lot of wind yet, which I'm quite glad about, but we will get quite a lot of wind, so up to 70-kilometer gusts, and we've got, I think, about 100 millimeters of rain, plus I think La Palma has gone into red. We are at the moment still on orange. La Palma is on red, so literally lock your houses, make sure everything is safe, and don't leave. So I'm gonna go back inside now. I can feel already the rain starting a bit more. I did have a break in the weather now, that's why I quickly came out just to show you guys our new cool track. So as soon as the storm passes, I'll get back onto working on this backyard trail. So the weather is changing again, starting to rain a little harder. I think it's time to get out of here. Don't forget, guys, we've got the tire giveaway coming up by end of this month. And I'm just going to go back inside and start editing this video because, yeah, level orange storm, it's not really that funny. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.